You're looking for a borescope. It goes into drains, areas that you cannot see behind or near, and you have to run the cable to look up or around. This may be something that you are looking for. So what we're going to do is show you what this product is about. I already said you. It's a Borescope endoscope with 16 plus feet of flexible cable with two types of lenses and LED. It is IP66 rated. It is for sewers, mechanics, automobiles, looking through anything that you need to get around the corner, down the drain, and more. Let's open up the box, show you how nicely they are packed. This unit has a 5+ inch screen. It is handheld. It comes protected. It has a 2000 milliamp battery and the controls on the side with an excellent grip. Please remember to peel all film off and take everything out of the box. The cable connected to the unit. Some tools, accessories, USB-C charging compliance cable, instruction guide to go over at your leisure. This kit's already assembled. Everything's attached. Underneath, we have an optional SDXC card that we could put in. USB-C charging area, little bumps around as a design. You have your control area located right here. And you have your 16 feet of cable, the LED on there, and a camera on the side with a single LED. On the bottom of the unit, we're plugging in an optional cable, allowing it to charge with the red LED on the bottom next to the plug. Turning on the unit, it's a long press till it comes on with the words Endoscope, Industrial Endoscope. As you can see through the actual lens and the light, we have a light button, light on top. It changes the brightness of the levels of the light and shuts it off and on. Here is live feed into a video playback if a SD card was. We have a zoom. We are on standard 1.0, 1.5, 2.0, and we have a rotation button that goes from 180 upside down and back to normal. We have a camera OK record button when the SD card is put in. We have a return and a cog gear. We're looking at the resolution by clicking the upper button for OK to get into the resolution. And then these will scroll down VGA, 720, and 1080p. And back out. As we scroll down to the image quality of photo, VGA 1 meg and 2 meg. We can set a language, date tag, time setting, auto power off of 1 minute and 3 minutes. We have a screen brightness from 80%, 20 through 80. We have a memory, format, reset, and the version. And back out. And the off button is long press to power. In the kit includes some accessories, a little hook, attachments, spring, and a mirror. You simply grab one of these, slide on over. To free it up, simply pull the snap off and adjust. A little difficult at first when using. And there you go. Please remember to peel all film off. So this way, if you're looking and you need to have a mirror image what's behind you, that is the reason for these accessories. And to give you an idea, you can see the reflection of me in there, of the mirror. Placing in an SDXC card is simply placing in, pushing in, turning on, into the settings, locating format, OK, and format. Right below me, we have a drain. And what we want to do is see what's down the drain and where it goes, up to 16 plus feet. The first thing we do is unwrap our cable. Since we're not going that far down, we're going to wrap up a certain amount of length and reuse the Velcro supply. As we set up the machine, what we're going to do here is we're going to hit the record button. We're going to make sure we're on video and record. And then we're going to take the end and we're going to snake it in. We want to first make sure that our end is nice and straight, that does not bend for our needs. So now we're in the drain area and we're looking up ahead and we're going in. You get to see what you're seeing in the drain. As it reflects around the area and you need to twist and move to see the drain. If it's not bright enough, you could change the level of brightness, shut it off entirely, and back on. When all done, stop recording, pull out, and clean off with a cloth, and then shut down the unit and take out the card and go look at what you went through the drain. When turning the machine back on, it defaults at camera. So here we are, we're looking through an exhaust system. And we're able to see what the exhaust looks like. If we wanted to change the camera angle, we will flip the camera around. And that is what it looks like through an exhaust. What we want to do is see if we can see something down in the back of the car where you cannot see. Endoscope, Borescope. Low light, excellent to see, and bright sunlight, a little difficult. Your record button to see what you're doing. Your lights, your camera angles, the zoom, recording, and more. I hope you enjoy your Borescope. You can inspect. Borescopes are great. They're easy to use. That you could locate an area that you're looking for and inspecting areas like your tie rod, your bushings, and more. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is what you were looking for, in a Borescope, Endoscope, industry product.